Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I have been buying American Girl dolls on eBay, paying fair prices for them, and washing them up, fixing them up, and redressing them. And here's some I've done, as a matter of a fact. And I'm struggling with this, the way this is boxed. Review, wrapped well. I have this doll. I have a Julie doll, but she's busy. These are the coolest scissors. My son sent me these. And you pull it back to cut your tape and such, and then you move that back, and they're regular scissors. I have this doll upstairs, but she's one of my riders. She has a job. She sits on a horse, and I like the little scene. So I thought I'd get another one. I was born in 1957. I was a teenager, young teenager actually, in the 70s, well, and older. And I love 70s fashion. You may notice my hair is still 1970s, and it will always be. So I bought a Julie. I wasn't really looking for one. I was just looking. But look at this hair. I mean, wow. I paid, she is an American Girl, you can see on the back of her neck. I don't know that Pleasant Company ever made a Julie. I don't think they did. Tina's Reborns will know. She can put that in the comments. But this is Julie, and she's a girl from the 1970s. She's got the insert in her pants, although we would have really taken that out to make them great big bell bottoms, and they would have been longer, but I love this. Love, 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 love this. Look at this girl's hair. They told me she had some purple streaks, and she does. But can you see them? They're very faint.
Yeah, real faint.
Very faint. So I wasn't worried. I paid between, I've gotten them as little as 30 delivered. But I paid between $40, $50. She was inexpensive. I wish I had that in front of me. But you can find good deals. What I do is, I don't know that I'll do anything for Julie. Oh, that's a, just, I don't know, that's pretty good. She's in good shape. Sometimes I don't wash their hair because of the wear and tear on it and the shampoos and stuff. I don't know what I'll do for her. I might just spritz her with disinfectant and take it from there. Now, I will be making her a new 70s outfit because that's why I get these dolls. I like sewing for them. It's fun for me. I like recreating their outfits, and that's why I got Julie. Get a close up on that beautiful face. I mean, she's a little loose in this one leg, but otherwise, and she's not that loose. Otherwise, she's like new. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Do you have a Julie? And subscribe. Darren reminded me that I had bought Julie, although we were always barefoot. Always barefoot. I got married in 1976, barefoot in the park. I bought these for Julie because I thought they were cute. And they were in an antique mall, $3. They had blue. I almost got both, and I thought, you know, let's try them. But, oh, God, they're cute. They're really, really cute. Wait a minute, let me put the other one on and show you. Oh, these are cute. Yeah, we're going back to that antique mall. It's the same antique mall. I just bought the doll I used for my Easter Bunny collab. I can't think what number she is. Oh, she has the American Girl stamp on her foot, too. I'll show that. Oh, 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 oh. Get your foot in, sweetheart. Look at that. Oh, do they press in better? Yeah, they do. They do. They press in better. That's just the user, not the shoe and the doll.
Needs to be stretched a little bit.
A little bit, which is good because you don't want the foot flying through. Oh, that's pretty cute. Those are cute little sandals, little flowers. Oh, those are cute. Yeah, I like that.